of Service is an opportunity for current UIC students to be able to give back to their local communities. It is an all-day event and it is very, very fun. They're at UCAN, a nonprofit organization that works with at-risk youth, and today the group of volunteers have been helping them to organize their library. It's very important for students to get involved with on-campus and off-campus opportunities, as well as community and civic service, because it's great to be able to show people that we are all one big community. We all share some sort of backstories. I myself spent about a year homeless, and it was very rough for me to go through that by myself with my 2 cats. But I did make it through, and now that I'm able to give back to my communities, that is one of the major things that I am doing with my career as a student and also with my career once I graduate.